It's the ABCs of Traegering, folks. For all the little grill masters out there, Uncle Traeger wants you to know school is back in session. A. Asparagus. B. Burn-ins. C. Cheeseburger. D. Donut holes. E. Enchiladas. F. Fin and feather rub. Coming at you with this G. Game day. H. Honey garlic wings. I. Ironwood. J. Jalapeno poppers. K. Kebabs. L. Lemonade. M. Mac and cheese. N. Nacho Mama's nachos. O. Oatmeal cookies. P. Pumpkin pie. Q is for quiche. R. Reverse seared steak. S. Smoked salmon. T. Thanksgiving. U. Upside down cake. V. Venison jerky. W. Waffles, Belgian style. X. Extra spicy wings. Y. Yams. Z. Zucchini. Now that you know your Traeger ABCs, let's have some more fun. Click the link in the description to download the Traeger activity book and discover some tasty, kid-friendly recipes.